We're delighted that the Made Smarter programme is being extended from 25 through to the end of March 26. We're still offering the core offerings of the programme in the form of digital road mapping, IDTA support, grant funding. So we find that lots of SME manufacturers in the region are excited and interested in implementing digital technology, but they're concerned, they don't know where to start, they don't know what the logical journey is for their transformation. And under Made Smarter, we offer digital road mapping, which gives the beneficiaries a 3 to 5 year logical journey set out step by step in terms of how to digitalise their business. But alongside that, we provide a whole package of support under Made Smarter, whether it be grant funding, impartial technical advice, HR support, digital internships, and obviously our leading digital transformation programme to help develop the leadership skills of the senior team to implement digital technology within their business.